In a world where modern cars are becoming increasingly complex, heavier, and filled with digital distractions, there's a growing movement of purists who crave something simpler, something raw, mechanical, and deeply connected to driving. Enter the world of Porsche 911 Restomods, where classic air-cooled models are reborn with modern touches. And one company that's absolutely nailing the formula is the RSR Project, with their latest build based on a 1986 Porsche 911. This isn't just a restored car, it's a reimagined one. The RSR Project has taken everything enthusiasts love about the early RSR models and wrapped it in a signal orange body that screams retro cool. Under the hood, or rather the rear deck lid, lies a fully rebuilt 3.4-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine. It features a twin-plug ignition system and is paired with a classic 5-speed manual gearbox. It may not be chasing massive horsepower numbers, but the craftsmanship and soul packed into this engine make it feel like automotive art. Every build from the RSR Project starts with a donor 911 that is completely stripped down. From there, the magic begins. Custom fenders are welded into place, not bolted on, ensuring the lines stay true and clean. The entire chassis is meticulously resprayed in a color of the client's choosing, though we have to say this particular build in signal orange is a showstopper. Once the shell is done, it's time to focus on performance. The RSR Project equips each car with new brakes and a modern suspension system. This means you're not just driving a classic, you're getting handling and stopping power that rivals modern sports cars, all while wrapped in the timeless silhouette of an 80s 911. Step inside and the attention to detail continues. This specific model features leather seats with houndstooth fabric inserts, a nod to Porsche heritage. The dashboard, door panels, and headliner are all retrimmed with premium materials. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. Heated seats make this a year-round driver, and a Griffith's upgraded air conditioning system keeps the cabin cool even when the engine's heat is at full blast behind you. According to company founder Richard Schickman, the RSR Project began as a personal dream. He says, "The RSR Project was started because I wanted to build a custom for myself. But when the car drew attention on the streets, he saw a bigger opportunity." With a background in operations and manufacturing, Schickman turned that dream into a thriving business that now takes on custom commissions from all over. Each build from the RSR Project is bespoke, and that kind of craftsmanship doesn't come cheap. Prices begin at $375,000, including the donor car, and each commission takes between 12 and 18 months to complete. That might sound like a lot, but in the world of high-end restomods, where quality, heritage, and individuality matter, it's right in line with expectations. The result? A car that blends the analog charm of an air-cooled 911 with the confidence and comfort of modern engineering. These aren't trailer queens, they're meant to be driven. With each build, the RSR Project reminds us why the Porsche 911 is still one of the most beloved sports cars ever created. In an automotive era driven by software updates and electric propulsion, this Restomod brings us back to the essence of driving. It's raw, beautiful, and handcrafted for those who still believe in the romance of the open road. And as long as Porsche continues to build more complex machines, the demand for back-to-basic Restomods like this one is only going to rise.